Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your portal to luxurious living. Explore our Punta Cana condos for sale situated on the Eastern Tourist Boulevard. With 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms spanning 2,562 square feet, these condos offer ample space for families or those seeking extra room. Enjoy the convenience of a gated community, water park, sports area, and restaurant, all within the sought-after Velero complex. Located near downtown and Punta Cana International Airport, plus just minutes from Bavaro's stunning beaches, this condo boasts a prime location. With added security and peace of mind, residents can relax in the sophisticated lobby or socialize at the clubhouse. Reserve your dream condo with just $1,000 and take advantage of our payment plan: 10% after signing, 30% during construction, and 60% upon delivery. Seize the opportunity to experience comfort and convenience in Bavaro. Contact us today to make this beautiful condo your new home.